In this video, we will show you how to using Grammarly in Google Docs. To using Grammarly in Google Docs, it's very easy. First, make sure you have the documents or you can create new ones. After that, you can open your documents look like this. And because Grammarly application based on web browser extensions, and you can choose, for example, Firefox, Google Chrome, or etc. Because I'm using Google Chrome web browser, then I can go to Google and type into the web browser is Google Chrome Store. You can also find the another web browser store. For example, is Firefox Store. And in here, after you find the Chrome web browser store, you can just click and find in here Grammarly. Okay, you can see Grammarly, grammar check. Okay, you can hit enter. And then in here, there is Grammarly, grammar check and writing application. You can select this and make sure this is by grammarly.com and click this and click add to Chrome. Click add extension. This is the process. The extension will be downloaded by Google Chrome web browser. It depends web browser. Okay. If you are using Firefox, you can also open the Firefox extension store in here. In here, you can try to reopen your Google Documents and please click reload. Okay, you can see here the Grammarly is need to using account, so we can click sign up button, and in here we can close the another tab. Then type your email address, for example in here. Creating your password and name. After the requirement is done, you can click agree and sign up. You can verify your email address by provide the code that Grammarly sent into your email inbox. Then after you input the code verification, it's already done to register. You can reload the web browser, including your Google Documents in here. Okay, in here for first time use, Grammarly is provide quick tour, but we can just click no thanks. And if you can see there, the Grammarly is explore the possibility to make our Google document is better. You can see there, this is the red line in the bottom of this text. You can see, and this is we can add a missing verb, change preposition. Okay, there is clarity, engagement, delivery, and correctness. You can see this is correctness because using a red line in here. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to using Grammarly in Google Docs or Google Documents, and hope this video helpful for you.